Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring your PC meets requirements and your accounts match. Open Windows Update and install pending patches, then update GPU drivers so streaming runs smoothly. Sign into the Xbox app with the same Microsoft account you use on the console. This links devices. Once done, connect both devices to the same local network, preferably 5 GHz or wired Ethernet, to reduce latency. Make sure network discovery and private network settings are enabled, because streaming and remote features rely on device visibility. Next, configure the console and app to communicate. On the Xbox, go to Settings, enable Remote Play and set power mode to Instant On so the console wakes remotely. Then, back on your PC, open the Xbox app and add or pair your console using the on-screen code. Grant microphone and game streaming permissions when prompted. Once paired, choose a streaming quality. Pick performance for lower latency or higher resolution for visual fidelity, and test both 720p and 1080p to see which runs can. Finally, launch a game through the Xbox app and connect your controller. Wired USB reduces input delay, so use it if precision matters. Monitor performance, and if you see stutter or audio dropouts, first switch both devices to wired Ethernet and reduce streaming quality. Also close background uploads or apps that use CPU. If you cannot pair or the console won't appear, restart the Xbox's network features and reboot the PC app. That clears discovery caches and usually resolves stubborn connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.